Hello everybody and welcome to Piron's Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to manage the recipes inside our Explora ovens. To cook with one recipe, select Recipes from the home page. Choose the recipe, upload it in the cooking screen and press play to start cooking. If you want to create a new recipe, select Recipes from the home page. Select the Add button. Write the name of your recipe. Choose one image from our database. Write the description and select your cooking cycle. You can add more phases in your cooking cycle. To save your recipe, press the tick. To cook with your new recipe, select Recipes from the home page. Write the name on top. Select your recipe, upload it in the cooking screen, and press play. If you want to modify one recipe, select Recipes from the home page. Choose your recipe, press the button Edit, modify the parameters you want, and confirm this changing. This was how to manage all the aspects related to the recipes inside our Explora ovens. Thank you for your attention and check all our videos on our channel.